Alright, class, take your seats. The bell has rung. Take your seats, thank you. As you know, today is your exam. If you didn't study for it, you're fucked. So that means no talking, no eating, no distractions or anything like that. So that means if you talk to someone, automatic 0. You have your phone out, automatic 0. If you make any type of noise or anything like that, automatic 0, because we don't need any distractions and everyone needs to focus on their test. So is everyone cool with that? Okay, cool beans. I'm about to pass out the papers. So make sure you guys, you know, have your pens and everything out, pens, papers. Any questions, concerns, anything? No? All right. Okay, let's get to it. Here you go. Here you go. So, are you guys ready? Someone need to fix that fucking fire alarm. Fuck. Damn, nigga. Do you want to go to the vending machine and get like a water bottle or something?
No, I'm fine.
No? Okay, if you change your mind, just let me know.
Why the fuck would I say that? I know damn I need some fucking water. I've been coughing all fucking class. Man, fuck. Let me just ask him.
Can I go get a water bottle for the vending machine? I appreciate it. Yeah, you go do that. Yo, what's up with this man?
A few minutes later.
It's been like 2 minutes since I coughed, and this test hard as fuck. Oh my god, I feel one coming. Oh my fucking god, don't do it, don't do it.
Bro, what the fuck?